Hey guys, in today's video we'll see the create process of another product design. Our playlist with all the product created is in the card above in the video description. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, leave your like and comment here what you'd like to see in the next videos. So, let's go to class! Let's start by creating a plan to add our reference. The download link will be in the video description. Let's create a line and adjust it in the center of the image. We add thickness and then create a copy to adjust the width according to the reference. Once that is done, we delete the first piece and create a new copy, this time in an instance, so that the changes can be made to the both models. Let's add the edit poly, and with Alt 1 add some loops to starting the shape our model. In the center, I will add a loop and with the set flow, adjust it so that it follows the shape of the model and continue adjusting your piece. Here, we add a new loop with Alt 1 and adjust the lower and upper part of the model. Let's adjust this loop following the division that exists in your reference. Now, we use the cut to create a new loop in the front. Complete the loop with Alt 1 and connect the vertices. Once it is done, we will combine our mesh with the reference. Remember to do this in the front view as well. Let's add a circle to create this detail on the front. Interpolation will be set the value to 2. Let's convert it to editable poly and add symmetry and adjust it according to the reference. Let's position it in front of model and add a shell to give thickness to the piece. I will delete this copy and create a new one with the modifiers model. Again in instance. Let's adjust the rotation and position of the model. I will add an edit poly to adjust the detail and apply a symmetry to the other piece. Now, we use the boolean to join the two pieces. We add an edit poly to remove the Zs and connect the points correctly. To do this, I will use the cuts, connecting only half of the model. We apply a symmetry and then the edit poly to adjust the shape. I will delete this piece, we will not need it. Now, for the back of the model, we will adjust these vertices according to the reference. At the bottom, we will add the loop and adjust the shape. We will align these lines on the z-axis and we will improve the mesh at the bottom. I will add a new loop to create this detail as in the reference, and we will adjust the back part of the model, organizing the mesh better. I will change the color to make it easy to see. Now, in front view, we will adjust the model. Remember that the model must match the reference at all the angles. With the cut, we will fill the shape in this part of the model and better adjust the general shape of the piece. select this face and use the insert and then insert a loop to make the edge a little harder. I will add the up-subdivid modifier and create a notch in this part of the model, as in the reference, separating this piece. Just select the two loops and apply an extrude. On the edges, we will apply a chamfer to make them harder. Let's adjust this lower part a little better. Again, we apply a symmetry by reducing the Tessalon value to keeping the lines working. Now, let's solve the back part. Let's adjust these parts matching the reference. I will add a new loop to keeping the edge harder. We see that the edge at the bottom is not as hard as the top. Let's move this line a little further apart and adjust the bottom part. The same goes for the back part. To create this detail at the top, let's add a new loop. Let's remove the front part and keep only the lines closing the edge. Now, let's insert a loop in this part and remove these lines from the front part. Once it is done, we adjust the mesh connecting so that it's working correctly. Let's do the same for the bottom part. With the lines created, we'll now adjust the general shape of the side part of the model. Let's connect these points and remove this line from the inside to make the edge soften. Finally, we will align the points following the reference. Here, we'll see that we have a problem with our mesh due to the symmetry. Let's remove the lines on all the edges so that there are no problems in your mesh. Let's continue adjusting the model so that it's as close to the reference as possible. To finish, let's create this detail on the front. Select this face and apply a detach. Add thickness with the shell. I'm going to adjust the pivot in the center. And apply a chamfer to the edges of the model. On the back, we are going to remove the face. Now, let's better match the shape. Let's also correct our first piece. Here, we have the base of the finished model. From here, we are going to create the details of the model. The entire process will be accelerated. If you want to watch in real time, just slow down the speed here on the YouTube. Let's create the cuts for the bottom and the lights. Follow the process and we'll come back to finish the video. Hey guys, if you are enjoying the video, please subscribe to the channel. Currently almost 18% for of public is not subscribed, so if you want more content like this on developers skill more and more, subscribe to the channel. It's free and help us a lot. Signed up, continues in the video. This is final results in your model. I add some details and change the colors of some parts to make some piece stand out. That was today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye!